Hello and welcome back to Fabulous Ideas, and today I have this chest of drawers. This is a very unique piece of furniture because every single drawer, as you can see, has a lock. I actually got this from Amazon and they do not do it anymore. It's a shame because I would have liked a second one to go, and that's the reason why I have different pieces of furniture along my bedside, along my bed, so different bedside tables, because they actually don't have another one of these. So it doesn't matter, I really like it, I don't want to get rid of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using the Dixie Bell, as you saw from my other video, my other bedside tables, in this lovely tea rose. I'm going to be doing this one again in the tea rose. I'm also going to be using the Hokus Pokus transfer, the same one that I used for the other bedside table, and I'm going to be maybe putting a bit of gold gilding on these to make them pop as well with the gold. And yeah, so I'm going to be getting on with that. So the first thing I'm going to do, I've already given it a clean, didn't need much, it was already in a good state, and all I need to do is get painting with the tea rose. So the first thing I'm going to do is take off all of the handles here. So with the gold gilding wax here, I'm going to be doing all of my handles now, and I'm just going to use a little paintbrush, and I'm just going to give them a touch of gold. And yeah, you can do this on the your pieces as well, your hardware pieces. You can put the gold on there, and look at that, you're already, and I think against the pink it's going to look really, really nice. Right, so I've put all the gilding wax on the handles. It's dry, so you have to wait for it to dry. And then I'm going to try, I've never done this before, I'm going to try and go over it with some white wax just to get some distressing look. But I wanted it a little bit, not with the dark wax, and Nancy, I just wanted a different look. So I'm going to go with the white. And on the sides of this piece, I'm going to be using the frog tape, and I'm going to be doing these stripes, exactly what I did for my bedside table, just to make this look like a complete set, although they're very different types of furniture. So I've got the colour correct, I've got them both in the tea rose now, and I'm also giving it the same kind of design, and that is what I'm doing here. So just putting in the frog tape and then removing the one at the centre so that it gives me the perfect lines all of the time. So now I'm going to be getting my furniture transfer. This I got from Etsy, and it is from Hokus Pokus. I've mentioned this before. They have beautiful, beautiful watery transfers, dreamy transfers. This one's got the butterfly. I've used up pieces before, but when you have leftovers, you can reuse them again on different pieces. So I'm going to be using this one, which matches my bedside table, and I can use a complete full block on this, so I'm really happy about that. So using the Hocus Pocus tool, which is a little white kind of spatula tool that you use to rub the transfer onto your piece of furniture, and it really is as simple as that. So let's begin.